Hi, today I am going to show you how to record professional 4K iPad lessons for free by just using your MacBook and iPad. It is the perfect setup for teaching and creating educational content. We are going to master the ultimate iOS capture and edit workflow. I will walk you through the entire pipeline from physical hardware connection to high fidelity recording in QuickTime and finally professional formatting in Final Cut Pro software. Whether you are sketching brain graphs or working through complex equation, this setup ensures your students see every details with crystal clarity. This isn't just a screen record. It's a broadcast quality pipeline. By leveraging the native camera protocol, macOS treats your iPad as a direct video input. This gives you the cleanest signal path possible, ensuring that your classes look more professional and polished. As you know, this is MacBook Mini and it has two USB-C ports. Your MacBook Air also has same type of ports. If you have USB-B input, then you can use USB-C connector or dongle as shown here. Now let's start the creator's pipeline. To get started, you will need three things: your Mac running macOS and your iPad or iPhone and the reliable Lightning or USB-C data cable. Because macOS treats your iPad as a direct video input to get the cleanest possible signal. First, identify your port. Newer models like the iPad Pro and Air use USB-C, which supports high bandwidth video up to 6K. Older models use Lightning cables. Knowing your generation is the first step to a stable stream. If you have a USB-C iPad, it's a powerhouse. It can support massive resolutions and even charge other devices in a daisy chain. For the best results, I recommend using high bandwidth cable like the Apple Thunderbolt 4 Pro. Now let's connect. Plug your iPad directly into your Mac. Once it wakes up, you will see "Trust this computer" prompt. This is a critical step. Tap Trust and enter your password, or the video signal will stay blocked for your security. Okay, let's start second step in the pipeline, capturing. You can use condenser microphone for best audio input. You can connect directly USB-C input or USB-B input via Type-C connectors. Press Command Space, then type QuickTime Player. Then one window opens. Go to the file options, then press New Movie Recording. Then this window opens. Extend if you want. Then see the options. You see iPad not connected till now, so it's showing no option of iPad. Let's connect iPad and see what happens. See, I connected my iPad and it's showing the option. You can choose speaker to monitor your audio, iPad speaker or any Apple Home speaker. Now see, the recording has started, and go to the options to select the microphones. I selected my USB condenser microphone, and let's start the record. You can write anything and you can in GoodNotes app or any Notability app or any Apple Notes app. You can attach images and you can show PDFs. Whatever you want to teach, you can teach. See, this video also I am recording. And you can stop the recording after completion and go to File, then export as 4K or Full HD, whatever the resolution you want, you can export and you can rename it. and you can save wherever you want. And here are two options for quality. One is high efficiency and another is greater compatibility H.264. I will show what is the difference on the screen between those two formats. After completion, you close the window. As you already exported, you can delete this now. Now let's see if you face any trouble. Sometimes technology doesn't behave. Black screen error will come. QuickTime recognize your iPad but the screen is just black. It's usually one of three things: a degraded port, a cable that only charges but doesn't carry data, or a software glitch. For that, one solution is you should check your cables and hardware. If nothing works, you can do the backup of iPad or MacBook, then you can do the reset. Now the final step, editing in Final Cut Pro or iMovie. Open Final Cut Pro. Let's check how our video came by previewing the video file. Okay, it's good. Now import the media to Final Cut Pro. You can create new library. Let's say now I am creating iPad to Mac, or you can do any name as you want. Now just drag and drop the file to Final Cut Pro. Then create a project. You can rename the project. And you can save this in any event. I am saving by today date. And you can set the resolution. Keep the ProRes photo to same. Then click OK. Then select the file and press E, or just drag and drop to the timeline. Since the iPad screens are typically a 4:3 aspect ratio, they might not fill a modern 16:9 widescreen video. To fix this, go to Video Inspector and find the transform settings. In the settings, you can scale up the video to 125%. And change the X and Y axis like this. Once you complete, save it as preset settings. Give any name so that you can use it in the future. I am just giving iPad sample name and then save. I'll show you how to apply the saved setting. Just drag and drop to the timeline. Then go to Effects and select all. Then type whatever the name you have saved. Then double click it or just drag and drop to the timeline. Hola. Then just export by pressing Command E. Select the settings as 4K. Select the name. Keep the fastest version. then save wherever you want, then upload. See, my video is exporting. I will make fast forward. Voila, video came. You just play and later you can upload it to YouTube as it is a direct .mp4 file. Share this video with friends and family who use MacBook and iPad. Spread the knowledge. Thank you. Please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.